it, Love Crew? Welcome back to He Loves Love TV. It's Baby's B, and I'm back with another freaking reaction video, baby. And today, you guys, are coming with y'all with a reaction to Getting Girls Number with the Flip Phone Part 3, featuring Duke Dennis, y'all. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys do me a big favor: like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you're new to the channel, because the Love Crew is basically for our crews, and we're gonna get straight into it. This man keeps his girls in.
I'm on my way to Phoenix. This low-key might be the last video of the year. So let's go out with a real banger, man. 100,000 likes in the first 24 hours. First day, 100,000 likes. Make sure y'all subscribe too, because we grinding for 3 million, and I know we gonna get it because we've been going crazy. Listen, bro. Phoenix is probably my favorite city. I'm gonna tell you why. As soon as I landed, bro, I checked my Instagram. Every single person in Phoenix hit me up, it seemed like. All the women hit me up, niggas hit me up, telling me the food places, where to go, where to be, the places to be, and things of that nature. Hell, even one nigga sent me 20 Arizona people. Like, bro, that nigga did not have to do that, bro. Like, you didn't have to do that, bro. But you did that at the kindness of your heart, and like, bro, like, it be little shit like that I appreciate, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, bro, that's a real nigga shit, you know what I'm saying? But like, nigga sent me a list of goddamn 20, 30 Arizona hoes. Not that I'm gonna use it, cause I'm celibate and shit, but like, also, nigga, I'm on a motherfucking flight, and as soon as
Y'all believe that? Do y'all really believe that? Y'all comment down below.
I got like a homie vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I got a homie vibe. I was putting on my hoodie while on the flight, and an old bald man beside me, he seen me struggling, he said, sir, he tapped me, he said, sir, do you need me to pull the hoodie down, cause it's rolled up in the bed? I said, you know what, sir? Thank you very much, like, I love you.
Oh, that's so kind.
I ain't tell him that, but I just want to thank my head, because he was a nice fucking guy. You know, me a little house, you know what I'm saying, forever home. I'm in a modern home, you know, some futuristic shit, like modern home with block houses. You know, we get, like, I'm gonna have my shit like white and black, have me a black ghost parked out front, have a motherfucking G-Wagon parked out front, a white G-Wagon though, because I already got the black ghost. Then we have a Jeep in the garage, then I might throw a lamp on there. I ain't do this. I swear to God.
Oh,
I swear to God.
You've been here for 5 minutes.
Hey, I didn't do this though.
Oh.
I didn't do this. I'm innocent as fuck.
The whole door thing?
I think I just pushed it out the window.
Oh.
Type shit. I was trying to close the door and shit.
Cause it's one of them that slide. I'm about to say.
Me too.
They geeky, y'all. They was smiling hella hard.
Me too.
It's
I'm gonna get the head tilt like that. Did y'all see it? Before I did like that right there.
They seen it.
I've seen it out my periphery, like my phone. Did it. Nah.
He's so hot.
That's a Disney channel.
Y'all, they is geeking already.
I watch you, bro.
Bro, he act like he just seen Chris Brown or something. Dang.
Hey, your best video is 24 hours in Miami, bro. That shit was hilarious.
Yeah. Phoenix, right?
Yeah. It's hard to get a hold because, like, I can't. Bro, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? Hey, bro, you're the Riz King, bro. Come on, bro. You got
The Riz King.
How'd I get a hold?
Y'all had some niggas, bro. Well, not niggas, but like y'all some.
Handsome niggas.
I didn't mean to blow your small like that. I really did. I'm so sorry. What are you doing out here? Are you going all the time? Are you going?
Why you so cheesy? Why you so hard?
He's so.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 24.
Really?
She trying to get crushed. She's trying to get crushed, y'all.
Rewind. This is not your phone.
Bro, it looks. Oh, word, shit. What? I'm going to.
She do not care.
You going?
She do not care.
You going to Old Town? What time did I go? 10? check, man, make sure, man.
It's not even Sunday.
Bro, my phone ain't working, bro. Hold on, I got you, bro. I got you. Don't trip. This shit ain't connected. I say your line is, bro. Damn, why my shit ain't working? Y'all let me know which city or state I should go do a 24-hour video in.
Texas.
We saying Toronto, but I might take y'all word over.
Has he came to Texas yet, y'all? Y'all comment down below, cause maybe I missed the video or something, but I ain't seen not one video of him in Texas yet, so I'll say Texas.
Y'all let me know which city. Comment your city, man. If y'all in the Rhode Island,
Y'all blow up Texas in the comments. If y'all from Texas.
Oh shit! You the only black person on that team.
You the only black person.
He think the earth
It's
is
his
flat.
business though. Hey, fuck you. Where are the
White people or black people?
black?
Black?
Yeah. Where my mom?
Pretty please. Pretty please. Or I heard that they come out on Sunday also.
Today is crazy.
I'm serious. I heard they come out on Sundays.
I'm not here on the wrong night.
Wrong night.
That's so weird. On Sunday, usually the black people come out on a Friday or Saturday. Like Sunday is crazy.
What's on y'all right now?
It's only y'all right now.
Hey, babe.
That's how they come out on.
What?
Nah, but day is wild. When she said day, that's wild.
Yo, I made a whole video on my Instagram, bro. They don't be going for niggas out here like that. Yeah, the white girls, they don't really go for niggas out here like that. What's up, dude?
Is that her man?
Phoenix, Arizona is cool, but unfortunately they lack color. Hey, I go for y'all the first black people I done see the whole night.
I believe it. I got it.
Why you tell me that?
Sorry.
What you about going on? Okay. Oh, here you go. I just bought it, so I gotta work this motherfucker. Yeah. You gotta work this? I think that's over the door like me.
Man, I forgot how to work a flip phone too. I haven't had one in so long.
Okay, I ain't somebody looking at it, so I'm huh? Shut up. Okay. Simple shit. Tight. Yeah. It's going to come out, man. Huh?
Honestly though, if you would have took the chain off, that would have made it more like realistic. Cause what you doing with a flip phone with some chains on? Like, you know what I'm saying? I would have been like, if I experienced this and I didn't know who Duke was, I probably would have already knew it was for a video. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it would have been more realistic if he took the chains off.
What's it for? What's it for?
Damn, a whole game.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt the video.
Oh, now you good. So look, we from Rhode Island,
Okay?
okay? And we just came down to Scottsdale.
Yeah. We're on time.
Oh, yeah. You should get one. You look really good in one.
You look good in it. You look good.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. But listen, you searching, I've been looking, I haven't seen that.
That's her man, child.
I bet you're flying.
The man, look,
Yeah.
Bro, if that's her man. The girls over there is wildin', bro. They do not care. They do not care over there, like, at all. What the heck? Cause he trying to get her to go. She not even trying to move. Like, she not even stunning him for real, bro. So I don't know. This is
I've
weird.
been searching, I've been looking, I haven't seen that.
He gave up.
I bet you're flying.
The man, look,
Bro, they is geeking.
Right,
That is like shining.
right.
I love that. You're blinging.
You're blinking.
You got your grill.
Yeah,
You got your jeans.
yeah, I think y'all both are just
Chick.
y'all.
Yeah, they did. Well, they're good. They're good. No, we don't care about
So that was their boyfriends, bro. They are crazy. They be moving so crazy over there, bro. I was gonna say weird, but I'm not even gonna like say weird because you know I don't want to like bash me. But they be moving crazy over there. That's all I gotta say. They bold. Like that's a whole nother level.
You got your jeans.
Yeah, I think y'all both are just left y'all.
Yeah, they did. Well, they're good. They're good. No, we don't care about them. We'll find our way back. They're good. They're good.
What?
Y'all listen to country music?
Yeah.
Man, the fuck you
You
do?
will. I promise you will find them. You will. You will.
Thank you very much for doing my survey with you. This is Rhode Island News, Channel 17.
Renee.
Hey, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. And we out.
Man, that's wild.
Good to see you, man.
He done took they hoe. He really could have though.
They out here now, Cap. That's the fourth one I see. And who's counting?
On Vigo, you can watch the freshest content from the coolest streamers.
Bigo.
This video is wild.
Money makes the world go round. Crypto makes the world go forward.
The club look lit though.
Hey, I ain't never did it.
Close.
Wait, what the fuck is
Wait. This your first phone?
No.
Oh yeah, nah. But you trying to play my phone for the? You trying to play my phone like? That's cool. Alright,
He said, what is that?
what you mean? What is that? Hold on, man. What the fuck you mean? What is that? Oh, well, y'all know the vlog, my bad. Damn, what? You don't want to get my vlog?
I'll be in the car.
You get my vlog?
Nah, I'm just playing on Twitter.
Yeah.
No, but for real, come here. Let me get you for a second. Let me get you for a second. Listen, come here. Yes, I'm for real. Listen, I wasn't all in your mouth like that, but your ass is
Y'all, the girls over there are really bold. I'm really loving that for real. Like, I love how they just, if they see something they like, they gonna go after it, okay? I love that.
That's what I'm saying, so. Let me see. Why?
Fuck no.
No, stop.
She just bust out laughing, bro. That's funny.
Yeah.
You want to transform so they ain't going to church? You go back, I don't.
Bro, ain't no way you
I'm
do
trying to
that.
be respectful.
Yeah, just like,
She's pretty, though.
And shit like that.
Okay.
Just type it in. Yeah, you type it. You
Don't
type
be
it.
taking pictures.
You typing the fuck out there. Yeah.
Call it. So I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
Labo?
Call it.
Oh my God.
Bingo!
It's the exclusive behind the scenes y'all don't even see.
What you saying? What the fuck is this thing even talking about?
Hey, my fault. Hey,
Let's do it. Hey, Dago, take this flick for bro.
nigga, do that, cameraman.
Nah, I got
She still following him.
Play what you play with, but.
If it come out blurry, bro, I'm drunk.
You know what? Hold on.
But this nigga gave us some motherfucking.
Follow all the way to the crib.
That shit is insane, bro. This nigga out there hooping with.
Shut up, man. He ain't Tupac.
What you doing? Hooping with? You can't even hoop. That's what you can't even hoop. My nigga, I never hooped with that bro. Ever. Ever.
And love basketball.
And the first thing that niggas do is take a picture of the basketball. And this shit nigga super man just doing that. This nigga know damn well he do not hoop ever.
Bro, they drunk. Gotta be drunk.
You had too much tonight? I can tell.
I need the real.
Oh, I need to be all that. I need all your job team.
How you doing tonight?
I'm not going to get
Look at your number.
I got so much fun. I'm only back to touch you. I'm about to say, I'm going to shit. What else?
Why you doing my phone?
TCL was in this way.
The brand is relevant.
How updated is this?
My shit works.
Okay, how updated? Like, it's new? How new? How do I put my numbers in?
Start, yeah.
I want to be on the iPhone, not the flip phone. Where's the iPhone? I know you got like 2 of them. I want to be on the flip phone.
No. You not gonna be the one using
I
it.
tell these niggas, shut up.
I make plays.
Please.
You see that motherfucker ringing though.
You gotta get her up here. You can't get it. Wait.
I ain't gonna lie, look, that's the only part I miss about having a flip phone, when a nigga just getting on your nerves and you just flip that motherfucker, just close that motherfucker. They taking pictures on everything.
There we go.
Hey, the quality not that bad though.
Chill. What do you mean?
What is that?
Just do like a. You just gotta do it once. Come on, I'll leave you alone. Type shit. It's just once. Like it's just a little. You're like when you see something, you're like, it's not a game. It's not.
What is she
Like, why did you
doing?
bring gay into it? Now he's so stressed out. It's just me. I'm like, no, for real. I'm like, no, I'm going.
Hold on. You do it. Do it.
Go Ash. No, Victoria.
You do it.
Come on, Victoria. Together.
Why you look like another jester? Or I'm just nasty. I don't know.
No. Cut this fucking camera off right now. They just fucking creep me out. I'm never gonna forget the nigga Davo actually took a bitch outside to hoop when he came.
I did what? What is that?
That nigga ain't shit.
Hey,
Fuck that.
hey, in front of the hall.
This one for you.
In front of the hall, bro. Nigga be doing too much.
He far as
It's
hell
cold as fuck out
too.
here.
Like,
And when you saw that shit? In front of the hall, though.
Hi, excuse me, miss, hello. What if I told you I could get you some money right now?
Oh, yeah, no. Magic jersey on. A Magic jersey on. really good. We like experimenting with Venus and shit, trying to find like beautiful black people like y'all. Thank you. Oh yeah. Where y'all going?
Yeah, we were gonna get some food.
Right.
Where are you going?
I mean, I'm going wherever the black people at, so I guess. It be lit?
It's just like when it gets later, like around 12:30. That's when it's getting possible. No, it gets lit here for real. But I don't know about a Sunday. I don't know. It's up to you.
You don't go out much? Home bodies.
Yeah, we home by the
Okay. Type
Are you
shit.
gonna be there?
I think so.
I'm gonna be sad if I don't see you. Let me know if you.
A matter of fact, let me just get some number or something.
She said, I'll be sad if I don't see you again.
Right. Yeah.
What's your friend's name? They just over here not talking. What? This is crazy. You are.
What is wrong? I'm just trying to take it back to simpler shit. What is wrong with this? Is something wrong with this? Something wrong with this for real?
That's what I said.
So you wouldn't get your number with this boy for right? Like I got a bitch or something. I can respect that right there. I can respect that right there. Now I was just saying if you were gonna give it to me though. But you made a valid point. I might be high like I'm in a relationship or something. They wasn't fucking with me, Jip. Yeah.
She begging.
But how the fuck you got like
So, you know, I have a cheat before I do anything.
Yeah, the cheap smoke. Are you one of them people who can't eat until they smoke?
No, I can eat before I smoke.
Oh, that's crackhead ass shit.
What table y'all want to go to?
And I been saying pretty please and shit. That where you going?
Nah, I got my brother-in-law Drew got a table at Riot right now.
Yeah, you should have pulled up my shit. We could have had a blast. Okay.
If you want to, I can let
I'm
you know.
invited to your shit?
You want to? You can come right now.
I'm doing the experiment.
I know, but
I'm trying to find the black people. I'm trying to find the black people. And I ain't doing a good job.
I mean, my boyfriend Roy, he said.
He black? Hey, tell that nigga Roy he a real ass nigga. Well, shit. Hey, nigga, enjoy yourself and shit.
You too.
Appreciate everything. Of course, guess what?
You got big things coming? I got big things coming?
We got big
Big
things.
things coming. Hey!
Say less. Okay. You have a good night, man. Damn. I like how she included me in her manifestation. I fought with it.
Came up to take a photo and
forgot. But there's a real nigga though.
She really did forget. I was like, did that skip the photo part?
Thank y'all for helping me to open up my very first.
I like the soul. I only like the soul once a fool. I'm in trouble, bro. Everybody is nice. Everybody is nice.
This nigga said, I don't lick toes, but I'll lick yours. That's crap. Right. All of this because a nigga wanted to suck her toes. Hey, look, bro. I done opened up my own goddamn. This nigga just gave me some good ass sliders, bro. And some good ass wings, bro. Please don't.
Not Kevin Gates in the bag.
Alright? Hey, look. And guess what? If this shit was ass, I'll let you know. This is good ass shit, bro.
Yeah, he ate that motherfucker down. That shit is not ass.
Boy, doing shit like this to make a nigga real upset. It'll make a nigga real upset. Like, bro, who the fuck does nigga think he is? Who the fuck does nigga really think he is? I don't think I'm nobody. Hey, chill.
I didn't peep in your shit. I'm not.
On my shit? I'll be like on some low key shit. Where y'all going?
You have somebody to go after, but.
Oh, my bad. There's none of my business. Well, shit. I'm probably just gonna head back to my B&B and shit. Chill out. Nice meeting y'all, man. Wherever y'all about to go, be safe. That's the number one thing.
You want us to go there?
And guess what? Come on, man. Look, that's why I stay in my own lane, bro. Mind my own business, bro. Because guess what? That means a nigga has nothing to do with me. I don't talk to niggas. I don't fuck with niggas. I stay in my own circle, bro. I only talk to Dago, bro. Any nigga after that, bro, you don't know me. You wanna know why? Because I be in my own. I don't even be able to say it.
If you can't fit through that door, I'm not coming outside.
Yes. You gonna make it. You gonna make that one.
Oh, man.
Right.
Alright.
Oh, I want you.
Mom, can you walk in?
Damn.
It's over there.
I can leave some. Why the fuck is y'all turning up to this right now?
Yeah.
Y'all are speaking right now. Bro, there's no way I invited the whole.
They got the AI playing. They funny as hell.
I can be real good. Please don't get in your feelings. Bro, there's no way this shit sounds so real. You cannot get this shit. Shut up. He mad as shit.
That sounds just like him, bro. That's funny.
Me? That's fuck. That's fuck too. Look.
With the flip phone. Hold on. Flick up with the phone real quick.
That's my song in the bed.
Put your number in right now.
I'm reading it right now.
Put your number in right now. Fuck it. See, look.
How do you even use it though?
Look. Put your number in.
Not you having a voicemail. Oh, okay. Put it right
Put your number in there. Put your number in there right now.
Call it. It's gonna work.
Oh, your shit.
It's gonna work.
Yo. Hey, what am I calling you on? Like, what, the nice and long? I don't know. I'm on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm gonna FaceTime you later and shit. Alright. Listen, make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, T. Hey.
They are loud.
Subscribe.
That's a nice ass pussy in though.
3 million.
How much you said? 3 million is 3 million. That nigga know you getting 3 views. That's 3 views. Maybe 300,000.
Y'all hit us? What? Y'all hit us? Can y'all hit us?
Share, like, comment,
Hey,
subscribe.
y'all hear how motherfuckers be hate? Hey, y'all show these motherfuckers to like 3 views. We finna get 3 views in 0.5 milliseconds. Cause I love y'all. I adore y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do anything for y'all.
Bro, his eyes are killing.
Listen, I love y'all. I adore
Them
y'all.
hoes finna shut
I will do anything
any
for y'all.
second.
You know what I'm saying?
This is how he looking. But this video was wholesome. They was geeking over him, which was expected. Duke Dennis, you did what I'm saying. It was expected. But y'all comment down below y'all thoughts and opinions. Also comment down below some more videos I should react to in the future. Until then, I'll see y'all in the next video.